Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: macOS updated, Homebrew and VS Code installed. Next, install Git with Homebrew and set Git config user. Name and user. Email so commits are attributed. Once done, decide SSH versus personal access token for authentication and log into your GitHub account. Make sure you have a repository ready or create one now. This early configuration prevents permission errors later and lets VS Code integrate smoothly with your Git workflow. Now you generate and register credentials. For SSH, run SSH keygen, add the key to the SSH agent with SSH-add, and paste the public key into GitHub. For HTTPS, create a personal access token with reposcope and treat it as your password. Once credentials exist, open VS Code, use the Accounts menu to sign in, and restart the editor so the Git extension picks up your auth. This step ensures push and pull operations authenticate without repeated prompts. Finally, clone or open your repository in VS Code using the command palette or terminal. If starting local, initialize Git, add a remote origin commit, and push with Git push uorigin main so upstream is set. Make sure VS Code shows branch status and the source control panel lists changes. If something breaks, check your SSH agent is running, the correct public key is on GitHub, or that your PAT has appropriate scopes. Restarting VS Code often resolves lingering credential cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.